How to delete Google Photos quickly. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to delete Google Photos quickly. To do this, you could go ahead and open up your photos.google.com and then log in into your account. Now let's say these are the photos. Now what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go and select the one and make sure to hold on to your shift key. And once you've done this, you could go ahead and scroll down to the bottom. Now you can let go of your shift key as well. You could also go ahead and shrink the photos by tapping on Control plus minus. This way you could go ahead and select multiple photos at one time. When you've actually synced it, you can see at the bottom, you could go ahead and press that, and here you go, that all of these images has been selected. Now if you wish to go ahead and delete this, you need to go ahead and press the plus icon. Once you do that, you can find the bin icon located at the top. Press this. If you're sure about it, click on move. This way you could go ahead and delete your Google Photos quickly. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.